Hello, good evening, friends. Welcome back to in this video, friends. Today I am talking about Amazfit Active smartwatch, Amazfit GTR mini smartwatch, and Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch, and talking to which smartwatch is best for you. So, if you confuse between which smartwatch is best for you, then please watch this video till the end, and after you watching this video full, then you choose which smartwatch is best for you. So first of all, talking about specification. So Amazfit Active smartwatch display size is 1.75 inch AMOLED display, and Amazfit GTR mini smartwatch display size is 1.28 inch AMOLED display and 1.75 inch AMOLED display in Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch. So, best is for display. Best smartwatch is Amazfit Bip 5 and Amazfit Active. And talking about battery backup, so 14 days battery backup in Amazfit Active smartwatch, and 7 days battery backup is in Amazfit GTR mini smartwatch, and 10 days battery backup in Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch. So for better battery backup, Amazfit Active smartwatch is best for you. And talking about sensors, so both all smartwatch is best for sensors. So let's talk about sports mode. So Amazfit Active smartwatch sports mode is multiple sports mode, and 120 sports mode in Amazfit GTR Mini and Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch. So let's talk about price. So Amazfit Active smartwatch price is $150, approximately 15,000 Indian rupees, and 10,000 triple nine INR is price is Amazfit GTR Mini, and Amazfit Bip 5 price is 7,757 INR. So let's talk about which smartwatch is best for you. So I think Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch is best for you because price is also very low, and here you see first of all feature also very same, no big difference. Okay, so if you confuse which smartwatch is best for you, then I think you buy Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch. So which smartwatch you like, please tell me by commenting, and thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then subscribe this channel. So let's talk about more other information. So Amazfit Bip 5 is best. Okay, and and after Amazfit Bip 5, Amazfit Active is best for you. So thank you for watching this video.